Lucius, come in. Bruce Wayne. He's one of our junior executives, Lucius Fox.
There's a public relations person out there desperately searching for this young man.
Then you'd best reunite them.
I want to tell you something, and I'd appreciate if you kept your face perfectly still. There's cameras everywhere. I know there's a What I'm about to say must be a deep secret between you and me. I knew your father well. He was a good man. He wasn't the man the company thought he was.
I don't understand you.
Bruce, your father was a true stoic. He kept his best self hidden. That's all I'll say. Good luck.
Boing, 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 boing.